Hello, my name is Leo, the Bitmain sales manager of the United States. Today we are finishing the new batch installation of T15. Let me introduce the chief engineer, Albert.
About the shells, we just had to cut the wire deck to make them fit tighter so we can install the T15s. But what we have to do is remove some power from these pads and have another part built in order to consume the amount of power that we designed from the beginning. That's a little bit of a challenge, but it can be done. As you can see here, we removed S9s and we are installing T15s. So basically what happens with the new miners, we need more space to consume more power. So we have to build more pads to consume the same amount of power.